for Africa. It's your time, you know. Everybody say yeah, yeah. Say ooh, ooh, ooh. Say yeah, yeah. All right, break it down. This is your God. This is our battle. Sometimes it shines, no one rain, farmers want to.
So now it's time to go on Kilimanjaro Safari. Woohoo! Do you guys remember what this tree is called? If you don't, listen up for the tour.
The upside down tree.
Yep. It starts with the letter B.
Thanks, as we say in our own H1 day. That means let's go. Ciao, everybody. My name is Deanna, and I'm going to be your safari driver for the day through Harambe Wildlife Reserve. Then over on the right behind those bushes is an okapi. That's the animal with the stripes on its legs. Now those stripes may make you think that they're related to zebras, but they're not. They're actually related to the giraffe. And they have an 18-inch long purple tongue, just like giraffes do. And we're coming up to a very important gathering place for the animals of the forest, and that's the watering hole. It's usually our best chance at seeing some of the more rare species like a black rhino. So look very carefully for any black rhinos. I wouldn't be surprised if we didn't see any though, because they are poached for their horns, and there are less than 5,000 of them left in the world. But we are working very hard to protect them. Through conservation funds, we're able to provide them with security and veterinary care. They're born at about 85 pounds, and they can grow up to be 5,500 pounds. A group of them is actually called a bloat. Speaking of different, up ahead of us is a baobab tree, also known as the upside down tree, because it kind of looks like it's sticking upside down into the ground with its roots up in the sky. Now, there are going to be several more of those baobab trees throughout our journey, so make sure to keep a close eye out for them. And now we are coming up to the best view on the reserve. The Serengeti grasslands stretch for hundreds of miles across East Africa. It serves as the superhighway for millions of migrating animals each year. Now this is the wild Africa we are all working hard to conserve. There are a bunch of animals coming up ahead here. The ones with the very large white horns are the Ankole cattle. And they are the only domesticated animals on the reserve. Their horns can be about 20 inches in circumference at the base. The gray animals with the white circle on their rear ends are the water buck. As their name indicates, they are often found in aquatic environments. And that's because they do need to drink a lot of water, so they don't really like to migrate too far from that water source. Coming up on our left are some spotted hyenas. Most people think that they're just scavengers, but they are actually very successful hunters. There's one taking a nap on top of the den and one walking around further behind. Now, if you keep looking around up ahead of us, you're going to see some tall mounds of dirt. And those are termite mounds, and they can be as hard as concrete. The elephants actually do like to use them as scratching posts. But once the elephants have worn them down a bit, the antelope like to come and climb up on top of them and use them as lookout points. So keep a lookout for any predators that could be hiding in the tall grass, like those spotted hyenas. Now those gray animals with the black faces there are the white-bearded wildebeest. And they're part of one of the largest migrations in Africa. And their name actually means wild beast, because they're kind of rough-looking appearance.
Nice.
And they do like to get real up close and personal sometimes.
Come here.
Oh,
Here, I got food.
what a beautiful animal.
I got food. I got food. My name's Lindsay.
Oh, stop it. You're leaving. So we're paused just a second because they wanted to cross the road And we have to wait now until they decide to move. One of them just doesn't want to move. That's okay, we can stare at them a little longer.
Come on, I'm gonna miss my next fast pass. I'm joking, I'm joking, I'm joking.
Oh, yeah, he is.
Oh, here they come. Here they come. Ow.
She's gonna come rescue us.
Pulls up and says, "Get out of here." What did he say? No. Oh, food. Food.
The other one's just like, nope, I'm not moving.
Yep, there they go.
Except for the one.
Yeah, that's right, exactly.
Oh, there he goes.
All right, woo-hoo.
Uh-oh.
Never turned down a meal, right? All right, awesome. Here we go.
You think so? That's the other one's coming.
The antelope are gonna go across now too.
Uh-oh.
Everybody's gonna want to go for the meal. You guys weren't invited.
Look at that one going through the bushes.
I think he's just taking a dump.
Oh, probably.
Almost there. Almost there.
Seriously?
Yeah, folks, you know there's traffic everywhere, even in
Privacy.
Africa.
Privacy. Well, that's all she do is throw out some of those.
Is it good?
Oh, look, some yum vegetables.
Yum, yum.
Oh, the little tiny tan antelope coming up ahead of us here. They're actually all over the place here. Those are the springbok,
the little
and they can
one.
jump 6 feet high into the air and leap 13 feet forward.
Oh,
Let's
look
get
how many
closer
there
to
are. There's so
those
many.
Are they gonna cross into the road too? Maybe, maybe not. Sometimes we get giraffe jams out
Oh,
here.
how
You can never tell.
beautiful. They're my
It
favorite.
looks like these are Maasai giraffe. We can tell that they're Maasai because they have kind of
Oh my
jagged
goodness,
edges to their
they're
spots, like puzzle
beautiful.
pieces.
How's the weather up there?
Those are my absolute favorite. Oh my
They're
goodness.
born at about 6 feet tall, and they can grow up to be
Wow.
20 feet tall. Pretty soon here, we're going to be making our way to Monkey's Point. It gets its name from the mandrills that live close by. And they are the largest and most colorful monkeys in Africa. The females weigh about 30 pounds, while the males weigh about 100 pounds. They're often seen grooming one another as a form of social bonding. Now, as we are going to be making our way through Monkey's Point, we're also coming to elephant country, so be on the lookout for any elephants that could be migrating through the area as well. Looks like there's a male elephant
Oh,
over there
back
on
there.
the right. Now we know that he is
Straight
a male
back
because
there.
he is by himself, and the males do tend to like to live on their own, which means wide, because they do have a more wide set jaw than the black rhinos. When they're fully grown, they can weigh about 5,000 pounds. And the black rhinos weigh about 3,000 pounds.
They're getting ready for Rivers of Light. They're bringing out some of the, what are those called? Barges? Barges? Floats?
Sure.
Yeah.
The one's spinning.
Yeah. Oh, it is spinning there underneath the bridge. Let me see if I can get closer. Let's stop now. But in a little bit we'll be sitting right in there. So we're over in DinoLand and we're going on Dinosaur. It's our first time going on it since the refurb. Pretty excited. Here we are, the Dino Institute. Whoa, watch out.
Like if we even know.
Time travelers.
Hi. Really, you're fixing it?
Look at your belt. Look at the yellow tab. Give it a pull for me. Perfect. Everybody look for the yellow tab. Give it a pull. All right. Everybody look for the yellow tab on your belt. Give it a pull. Perfect. All right. Ready to go?
Woohoo!
Have fun, everybody.
Bye.
Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning. Meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Oleoratus. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Identify!
Carnivorous.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go!
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find it before security does. Thanks for everything!
Woohoo! So we're in Rivers of Light and we're waiting. It's really pretty. Hi! Everest behind Rivers of Light. It's really pretty with the lights there. Here comes my honey.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
No, I know, but there's still going to be people sitting next to you.
You have to squeeze all the way down. We're supposed to go all the way down. Hi. Thank you. Love you.
Love you. People are listening.
I know. It's okay. So we're just waiting for Rivers of Light to start. We have pretty good seats. We're not too far down and not too far up. So it's really pretty. Standby is pretty much filled at this point. There's still quite a bit of fast pass space available.
Here we go.
Getting ready, it's soon. Woohoo! So pretty.
Rivers of Light, a celebration of nature's wonder told through music, water, and light, will begin.
Of all the planets in our vast universe. It is only here on Earth that water and light harmoniously unite to create the wonder of life. We most graciously welcome you to a timeless celebration of water and light, with roots as far-reaching as time itself.
Oh, Brad.
Here, where the forces of nature meet in harmony, the spirits of the animals are freed to dance together in the night sky, creating rivers of light. We are united in this special place to celebrate the magnificence and wonder of all living creatures, for in life we are all one.
It's amazing.
It's all calm, and the creature big and small stand alone, we stand forever. Raise your hands to the sky, on this journey you and I will grow stronger than we know. Feel the rain, taste the wind, touch the earth, and take it in.
Within each of us is a light that shines in all living things. Here, where fire and water bridge the earth and sky, our light rises on the wind to join the stars. As we journey on this great earth, may we remember the light we share. May we celebrate our bond with the natural world and the wonders that flow on rivers of light.
So, what do you think of Rivers of Light?
Holy cow! Oh, watch my strings.
Yeah. Holy cow, what?
No, there was no cows in it.
Oh.
There was lions, tigers, and bears. Oh my! Well,
Yeah.
no, wait, no bears. I don't think there was. Was there bears?
Polar bears.
There might have been, yeah. Other than the fact that we waited an hour, the thing if you don't know, if you've never watched your time, every show that Disney does is 15 minutes long. 15 minutes, right on the dot. So you wait a little over an hour for 15 minutes of spectacular, sensational lights, water, and music, like they say in the beginning. So definitely something different that we've never seen, and I know that you will enjoy seeing it. And the video that you've watched, yeah, it doesn't do it justice to be here. So you got to get here to see it. It only excites me for Pandora, the Avatar. So I will give it a... I'll give it a 9.
So for me, I wasn't sure what to expect because I've read some people's reviews that they weren't really wowed about it, and maybe it's because they saw it during when they were testing it and something went wrong or something. But I absolutely loved it. I actually got tears. It was just beautiful. The music got to me for sure. The lights, everything was just amazing. I give it a 10 for sure because, oh my goodness, it's probably like my new favorite nighttime thing. I mean, I love Fantasmic and everything, but missing the Main Street Electric Parade for sure. This definitely sort of fills that void a little bit. So we are walking out of the park. It's really strange to be here this late at night.